morning, friends. Is everyone ready for a fun day at the racetrack? Ed the Excavator? Billy the Bulldozer? Charlie the Crane? Today, we need to get the racetrack ready for the big race. What should we do with these tires? It looks like they should be lined up along the edge of the track. Billy, can you help Ed move the stacks of tires? You can carry a whole stack of tires in your bucket, but Ed is only able to move one at a time. We'll need to get all these lined up before we can put the bigger barriers in place. Good job, Billy. You can line up the barriers while Ed continues working with the tires. I think Billy's taking a break. Ed, you're going to change the shape of Billy's tires? Are you sure a square wheel will work? I don't think so. How about this one, a hexagon? Charlie the Crane is here to help. The round wheels will work much better for you. Now let's get back to work. Looks like a lot more tires need to be placed along the track. Where will we put those, Charlie? Oh, they go on the inside of the track. Great job! Just a few more to go. One more and we're all finished. Now let's try it out. Everyone to the starting line. 3, 2, 1, go! Way to go, Charlie. What a great start. Come on, Billy and Ed, you can still catch him. Wow, look at you guys go. You both passed Charlie. Around the curve we go, and it looks like Ed has the lead now. We're heading into the final stretch, guys, and look at them go. Charlie and Billy are starting to make a run for it. Wow, what a finish! Great job, everyone. And the winners are, in third place, Ed the Excavator. In second place, Billy the Bulldozer. And the big winner in first place is Charlie the Crane. See you next time, friends. Hi, friends. Having fun at the amusement park? We'll have even more fun after we finish today's assignment. We're building a roller coaster. We have all the track pieces, but we need to put them together. Can you do that? That's the way, guys. Make sure you place them in the right position, Charlie. Looks like Billy the Bulldozer and Ed the Excavator may need a little help from Charlie the Crane to reach the high parts. Great job, guys! Now that is teamwork. There they go again. Billy just loves to play. But it's not time to play yet, Billy and Ed. We still have work to do. Nice job, guys. Let's place the cars on the track next so everyone can ride the roller coaster when we finish. A big car for Charlie and 2 smaller cars for Ed and Billy. Almost finished. There, all the pieces of the track have been used. But wait, one piece appears to be missing. Can you find it? There it is. Hey, ice cream truck and gumball machine, find somewhere else to play ball. We need that piece of track to finish the roller coaster. Perfect. Time to ride. Hold on tight, guys. Wow, that looks like fun. Whew, what a ride! See you next time, friends.
Hi, friends. Ready for another exciting day? What shall we do today? You want to build a film studio? Okay, let's get to work. Every good building needs a great foundation. Let's make this one with these tiles. Great teamwork, everyone. Now we should put up the walls. The walls will have to be really tall to make sure we have room for all the lights and sets for our films. We're almost finished. Time to hang the door. One last thing before the film studio is finished. We need to put a roof on it. Great work, everyone. Now we need to install the lights. Billy, Ed, what are you doing? It's not time to play just yet. Now that we have the lights, we need a camera. And now we need some action. Great work, everyone. See you next time.